You are being watched not by a shadowy figure in a trench coat, but by automated scripts and data brokers. Every single day, you leave a trail of digital breadcrumbs. You post a photo of your new pet. You check in at your favorite coffee shop. You sign up for a newsletter to get a discount. You send a quick message to a friend. Each action seems small and insignificant on its own, but when pieced together, these fragments form a detailed mosaic of your life. This digital ghost can reveal more about you than you would ever willingly share with a stranger. It knows where you live, who your friends are, what you buy, what you are thinking about. This isn't some far-fetched dystopian fantasy. It is the reality of our interconnected world in 2025. Malicious actors, petty scammers, sophisticated cybercriminals are masters at collecting and exploiting this data. Kali Linux is often depicted in movies as the go-to operating system for hackers. Scrolling green text, mysterious interfaces. In reality, it is a specialized Linux distribution designed for penetration testing and digital forensics. Think of it as a digital Swiss Army knife for security professionals. It comes preloaded with hundreds of tools built for a single purpose: to test and analyze security. While some tools can be misused, their primary purpose is defensive. They find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. This is where you come in, using these professional-grade tools for personal protection. OSINT is a core discipline, and Kali provides a perfect environment for it. Open-source intelligence is not about hacking or breaking encryption. It's about finding information already in the public domain. People voluntarily share huge amounts of personal data. They list their employer on LinkedIn, post vacation photos on Instagram, use their real name on forums. OSINT tools automate and accelerate finding and connecting scattered pieces of information, revealing patterns and risks you can't see manually. TheHarvester is one of the most fundamental and effective OSINT tools in Kali Linux. Its name is perfectly descriptive. It harvests information. Specifically, it is designed to scour public sources to find email addresses, subdomains, virtual hosts, open ports, employee names related to a specific domain. It queries search engines like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo. It also taps into public databases and services like Shodan. For an attacker, this is often the very first step in a targeted campaign. An email address is the universal key to your digital life, used for logins, password resets, and communication. To protect yourself, you can turn the Harvester on your own digital identity. Imagine you own a personal blog or a small business website with its own domain. For example, the Harvester D your domain com, L500B Google. The output will be a neat list of any email addresses it found. The results can be shocking. If you discover sensitive emails exposed, find the source, remove or obfuscate it, and replace direct listings with a contact form. If the Harvester is for finding the puzzle pieces, Maltego is for putting them together. Maltego is a powerful data visualization tool that excels at discovering relationships and links between disparate pieces of information. It takes a single data point, like an email address, a phone number, a name, or a social media handle, and spiders outwards to build a graphical map of connections. The visual nature of Maltego is its greatest strength. It transforms a boring list of data into an intuitive, interactive chart that immediately highlights relationships you would never have noticed otherwise. Using Maltego for a personal privacy audit is like creating a detective's evidence board for your own digital life. You start by placing a single entity, then run transforms, automated queries to breach records, social profiles, or domains registered with that email. As the web of connections expands, you might see some alarming links. An old forum account could connect your anonymous persona to your real name and city. A publicly posted phone number can lead straight back to your LinkedIn profile and employer. The insights are actionable. Delete forgotten accounts, scrub phone numbers, prioritize risks like leaked passwords tied to active emails. By severing these unwanted connections, you dismantle the information network an adversary would use. You make yourself a harder target. Section 5. Shodan. While Google indexes the web, Shodan indexes the internet. It's a specialized search engine that scans the internet. Not for websites, for devices. Webcams, routers, servers, industrial control systems, smart TVs, refrigerators. Shodan identifies device type. where it's located, services, and accessibility. It's often called the world's most dangerous search engine because it makes it trivial to find insecure devices exposed to the world. Many are still using default usernames and passwords. Admin, password. Your home network is connected through a public IP from your ISP. You can find your public IP by Googling, "What is my IP?" Once you have it, plug that IP into Shodan's search bar. This shows exactly what an outsider can see about your network. Ideally, the result should be nothing. Your firewall is doing its job. Shodan could reveal your router's administration page is accessible from the internet. It might show a security camera broadcasting video to anyone. It could flag a NAS with an open file sharing port. Each of these is a digital door left wide open. Log in locally and disable remote administration. Set strong, unique passwords, disable remote access you don't need, and update firmware. Recon-ng, a powerful modular framework for web reconnaissance. Think of it as a command line laboratory for OSINT. Create a workspace, add seed info like your name or domain, load modules to search social profiles, DNS, and scrape contact info into a local database. Recon-ng presents a consolidated report of your public exposure. Delete old profiles, enable WHOIS privacy, and systematically reduce your attack surface. AI supercharges OSINT, grouping results, filtering noise, highlighting critical findings, and likely spear phishing risks. User-friendly dashboards provide AI insights and a risk score you can improve over time. Run your primary email through HaveIBeenPwned. If breached and reused, change those passwords immediately. Search your email in quotes. Edit, delete, or request removal to reduce public exposure. Use forgot password to rediscover accounts. Delete or secure them with unique passwords and two-factor authentication. Only investigate yourself, your organization, or targets with explicit written permission. Always act ethically. You can't be a ghost, but you can be a hard target. Strong passwords, 2FA, and minimal public info force attackers to move on. Start with basics. HIBP, Google yourself, review privacy, enable 2FA. Schedule a quarterly checkup. Kali OSINT tools give you the vision to see your vulnerabilities. Use them wisely, ethically, and most importantly, use them. Take your first step today.